welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to show you how to get this look. I got super inspired by the City Girls new song cover, and I was like, yo, I have a hair color like that, and I didn't have to do anything to it. It actually came like this, and I was just like, perfect. I needed some inspo anyway to see what direction I wanted to go with this unit. The unit that I'm rocking right now is actually from Julia Hair. It's a custom color that they did, so you don't have to go in and do anything extra. This is the result after breaking your hair up if you decide to put your hair in long curls. And you're gonna see me do their inspired makeup look. Their makeup for this photo was like right up my alley, so I was like, I have to do this. Like, I have to. Randomly, I just went on this I want bamboo earrings so bad, so I bought a few different types, and I had these that I haven't worn yet. I wore my big ones already, and I feel like you've already seen those, so I decided to put these little triangle ones on. So I will list everything that you need to know in the description box below about Julia Hair, as well as the makeup products that I use in this video. I hope you guys take something from it, and I just hope you guys just at least enjoy it enough that you're going to give me a thumbs up and subscribe and turn on your post notifications if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys shortly. Let's go. So today I am going to be showing you guys how I'm going to be installing my Julia Hair. Why did I have to do all of that? Why I gotta be extra? I'm extra because I'm on some caffeine right now. I got inspired by the City Girls twerkulator photo that they have on their Instagram. Their hair is like this color, but it does have like some little highlights in there, but I'm not gonna do the highlights because I feel like this is good enough. But I'm gonna be using a wand curler. I'm gonna try to get a smaller barrel because the one that I have is the Xoxo Professionals. I actually picked mine up from Marshall, and it was really inexpensive, but it came with like 4 different attachments, so I can get like different type of curls. I'll leave their information in the description box below. It is a body wave unit from them, and this is how beautiful their curl pattern is if you decide to co-wash the hair and leave it in the sun so it can just air dry. We're gonna get the City Girls twerkulator inspired style ready and steady. Let's get it going. Alright, so y'all know the drill. I'm gonna start off with this True Match foundation powder in the shade Cappuccino. I'm just using an oval brush just to tap this on. And then we're just going to shake it around, move it around. So I did bleach the knots. The knots are pretty invisible, so this is just gonna help give me that natural hairline. Now what I'm going to do is take both of these. I'm going to use these to pretty much get the curl that I want. I'm going to take really small sections because the whole point of this style is for it to be a little lion-esque, you know, big and extra. I'm going to try to remember to alternate my curls so the curls don't seem to be too close together. If I'm wrapping it on the barrel, it's pretty tight. I'm not going to lay it flat so it doesn't give a spiraled look. I'm just going to kind of leave the hair bunched up together. So I know y'all probably remember that. We used to like do the most when it came to these freaking wand curls. So this is what I mean by bunching the hair together. I'm like twisting it around. I'm not trying to lay it flat on the barrel. Leave the hair on the barrel for about 10 seconds. If you have more patience, of course, leave it on longer.
Cut that shit up straight.
This off so we can see what it's giving. I had to go in and pluck at this unit. I'm sure I'm gonna have to pluck some more and that's gonna piss me off, so I'm gonna try to avoid that as much as possible by just pressing the curling iron on it so everything can look like it's pretty gradient. But I feel like I did a good job. What we thinking? I haven't done this in, whew, I don't even know how long it's been, y'all. It's been a little minute since I've done this. So I'm gonna remove the lace off camera. I'm gonna go to the bathroom so I don't mess anything up. And then we're gonna do this face. All right, boo baby, so we got the lace off. I spent like 15 minutes trying to figure out what color these girls have on their eyes. Hopefully it turns out nice. I am gonna prime my lids though because I want the color to show. It's giving like this color at the top and then something like this area over here. So this is the Jaclyn Hill 35 Dream Color palette. This is like one of my favorite palettes that I own. Take this e.l.f. concealer and just pop it on my lids. Make sure I have like a really nice base. I'm gonna set with a fluffy brush with just like a simple pale color. I'm gonna use this bone shade from the Kat Von D just to set that.
Cut that shit up straight.
Because we want this transition color to pop like theirs, because I can see that transition, girl. Honestly, I could either take this and this before I touch into that. I'm gonna focus this more in my lid space. And I'm gonna take this brown because I feel like they have more of like a rich color on their lids. And I feel like this is also gonna help the crease color pop a little bit more. I'm gonna put a little bit more of this on here and then pack the lid color on. And I'm gonna bring it up higher than my actual crease or my actual lid, because I want it to definitely show once I put my lashes on. So I'm just gonna take that again and I'm gonna hit it one more time before I move on to the other side. And I'm gonna take the two and just bring that up as high as I want it, because they had their look pretty like high up towards their brow. So everything else I usually do anyway. The bronzer is definitely heavy on this look. The lip is definitely up my alley. I love it. But of course, we gotta like conceal and drag the same technique down underneath this area right here. So that's what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna do the basics. Born This Way concealer, foundation powder, all of that setting. And then I'm gonna come back and do bronzer and lip with you guys, but everything else is the same. Alright y'all, so I just wanted to let you guys know what bronzer I used. I went in with my Sephora Micro Smooth powder. That's one of my favorite powders to actually bronze with and also set my face, but because they don't have my perfect range, I would have to get 2 of these powders to achieve that flawless color for my actual skin complexion. I don't really have time for that, so I always go in with the Laura Mercier powder, and I just have been setting my foundation with my I've been putting the Laura Mercier loose powder, the loose setting powder underneath my foundation now, just so I can have more of a full, like a kind of like a matte look, because I am combination skin, and if I don't set, definitely melt in my T-zone area. So I always go in with this just to set after I do that, and that's what you see me do. I don't want my hair this tight. It gives me like, I don't know, it doesn't give me my vibe. Y'all know usually when I used to do this, I used to comb them out with my fingers. Curls are given. I finished like a while ago, but I had to put my lashes on, and then I started dancing and doing the most. And I decided to put on something that mimics something that they would wear. Flames. So I'm gonna take a quick thumbnail real quick, and then we're gonna break it up together. And I'm gonna use my fingers first. Like something like that. What y'all think? Yes, this is more of me. More me. But just imagine this on curly hair. Oh, it would be so pretty. It will stay huge just like this. Because this is body wave hair, it's gonna be easy for it to like fall and become like semi flat. Unless I decided to put like layers in the hair, but it's not giving layers right now. Hair up, and this is basically what it's giving. I'm trying to spray this damn hair as much as I can because I don't want it to fall on me, because these curls are everything right now. Anyway, I feel like I need to talk to you guys about the quality of the hair. Fire. I know I said it already before I had finished like breaking the hair. I'll keep you guys updated though, because obviously this is my first time installing it, so I can't give you too much shebang bang about it. And don't mind this little piece right here. I need to go back into the bathroom and fix my baby hairs. More of the story, I really love the outcome of this hair, so I will definitely list their information in the description box below if you guys are interested. But let's get into the makeup. The makeup is fire. I'm gonna tell you guys something new that I tried. I tried their little just put the highlight right here, because I seen on their photo like they have highlight literally just on the tip of their nose, and then they have something going on right here, versus taking the highlighter all the way down your nose. I love that. That is so cute. To do that before, like 2015, 2014, but I stopped doing it and I would just drag it. So I'm gonna stick to that. And of course, I definitely enhance the inner eye part. Usually I don't really do that in my eye looks, but I think that looks really, really pretty also. And I definitely made sure my brow bone was popping. Did I tell y'all the lip combination? I know y'all probably was gonna kill me if I did not tell you guys this. So I went in with the LA Girl Perfect Precision eyeliner, and obviously I used it for my lips. I used this first, and then after I went in with this, what did I take? I took another eyeliner, or I think this is a lip liner. Hold on, let me show y'all. I took the Ultimate Intense Auto Liner from LA Girl also. This is their eyeliner as well. So I've been using eyeliners this whole time on my lips. You can do the same. Literally like $2 each, if not one, because sometimes they are on sale in Ulta if you are interested in these. But I'll list this in the description box as well. So after I did that, I just went in with the e.l.f. This is the lip plumping gloss in the shade Peach Bellani. But then I was like, I feel like it needs something else. So I touched it up with Kim Kardashian's Nude 2 in the center. Just literally a smidge of this, because this gives too pasty, got something going on vibes on top or anything like that. I feel like this was glossy enough. They have another color in this that's really, really pretty, but I didn't pick it up because I don't really like pinks. But now I'm upset because I'm just like, honestly, you could really pull it off. So I think I'm gonna go back and pick up the other color that I seen in that, but it was just a little bit pinkier than that one. That one's like a pasty, like pale. But yeah, so everything was fire. I love my makeup. I love how it came out. I went in with the Bobbi Brown bronzer. I think I already told you guys that, with a mixture of my Sephora. But everything will be listed in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys liked it, please go ahead and give me a fat thumbs up. Don't forget to turn on your post notification bell. So make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and join the family. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next one. I'm a mother city girl, and don't you forget it.